Hi guys, good morning, good day. How are you? How it is going so far? Thank God for another day. Today I'm going to show you how I fry my fishes. Okay, guys, look at it. This is my pot already, and I have my fish. All my fishes are over here. This is my fish, and I'm going to show you how I fried it. Okay, my pot is on already. I'm going to pour some oil in. I have to use a lot of oil, guys, because I need the fish to be covered. Okay, guys. All right, there you get. Turn up my fire now. Look at it. And I have my garlic here. If you want to put a pepper, you can. And this is all my fish. I'm going to fry. Okay, guys. This is my fish. And guys, for your fish not to smell in your apartment or your house or whatever, to cut down the odor of the fish while frying it, you can use some hot water, cinnamon powder, and you put it to stay there and let it boil for the rest of the time that you're frying your fish. Okay, girl? So the odor, it will smell, but not as bad as it smell. Okay, guys? So watch as I go. So this is my water already. And meanwhile you're frying your fish, it is boiling. After you finish, let it stay there boil for maybe another 10-20 minutes, and then the house will smell so good. So look what I'm doing now. Cinnamon powder, and let it stay there boil. Look at it. Or if you have this, if no powder you have this stick, you just put it there and it boil for the whole time. So the whole house full up of cinnamon. So it kill the odor of the fish. So I tip a little flour in it, and I gauge my fire. We have to turn on our fan over here. See, tip a little flour in it. Some people don't, but I put a little flour in it. Let me wash my hands again. Okay, guys, so I have my fish here. You have to turn this fire down, it will boil over. See, guys? You see? It's a cinnamon. Give the house a sweet odor. Here, my fish is all here. My oil is getting hot. Hotter. And I have this is what I use to turn my fish. So watch as I go, guys. And remember to subscribe, share, tell a friend to tell another friend that Henry's, Henry, Family TV is frying fish. Tell them to subscribe to my channel. And if you don't have garlic or whatever you have, use whatever you have, pepper, anything at all, thyme, scallion, and put it in your pot. Okay? So I have to, okay, guys. Can you see it? Let me put the camera a bit nearer. See, guys? See? Instead of putting your hand in the pot, and the oil will flash on your hand, you just do a thing like this. Oil need to be hot some more. Okay, let me continue to dry my fish. Make sure your oil is very hot. I'll need to hot some more because the fish are cold. All these fish are cold. Like this. And this is boiling. I'll need to add some more, so I'm just waiting here, guys. Instead of putting your hands, let's do like this. I'll eat still to add some more. And see my fish frying? See? Make sure your oil is hot. Dry my fish. So I dry my fish. I'm gonna change my towel to another towel. I have another one here. Change it. I have my fish here, all my fishes. Right, see there and dry. My fish here. This is how I'm turning them now, guys. Look at it. You can use this or this, both of them. If you don't want to splash it on your hands, you can do like this. Turn it over like this. Like this. And it's not good. There, guys. There, guys. And my cinnamon water is boiling. So it's taking out all the fish odors. So you can try it, guys. Or whatever you want, a candle or anything. As in these houses, they're all closed up. or even if you don't close, you have a limited of hair coming in. So guys, just boil your cinnamon and you scent up the out. Just like I use a candle, just use a cinnamon. Either the powder, the stick, the leaves, anything you have, use it to odor the house. So the fish scent will not be that strong in the house. Okay guys? Look at it. So it's boiling. So this boil very fast, so you have to keep throwing water in it. Okay? And then my fish. You see guys? Yes guys. My fish. Okay guys, these are fried. Put them here. Guys. You can scrape out. You can scrape these things out. Okay guys?